Understanding Fear of Spiders, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, fear of spiders. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the language. So let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. The phrase, fear of spiders, refers to the feeling of being scared or anxious about spiders. In English, when we talk about a fear of something, it means someone has a phobia or a strong, irrational fear of that particular thing. The technical term for the fear of spiders is arachnophobia. This section will explain the meaning and usage of this phrase with examples. Understanding phrases like fear of spiders is important for English learners because it helps in comprehending conversations, literature, and media where such expressions are common. This section will discuss the importance of learning such phrases and how they enhance your language skills. Here, we'll learn how to use the phrase in different sentences. For example, John couldn't enter the room because he has a fear of spiders. We'll explore various examples to ensure you feel confident using this phrase in everyday conversations. In addition to fear of spiders, English has many phrases related to fear. This section will introduce phrases like fear of heights, fear of the dark, and how they are used. Understanding these will enrich your vocabulary and help in expressing different types of fears accurately. I hope this video helped you understand what fear of spiders means and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Remember, learning such phrases will not only improve your English but also help you express yourself more clearly. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.